Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your LinkedIn account forever. Now, it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser, head down to linkedin.com, and from there you go to the top right corner where your profile picture appears. Now here you use the drop down menu to open up the settings and privacy tab, and here what you want to do, you want to go down to the account preferences and here scroll all the way down till you find account management. Now here you see the option close account. Simply press continue, and as you can see here you are closing your account. Now simply follow the steps given, and from there you need to put in your password, and from there press done, and your account will be terminated and all your details will be gone. Now it's very easy. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.